Hey, it's Gareth and Janet from Port Monkeys, and we're on Medano Beach in Cabo San Lucas. If you look around, you can see the Diamond Princess out there at anchor and the Disney Wonder out there at anchor. Also over there is Land's End, Los Arcos, and then there's the public beach across the way there. It's pretty small, and a bunch of other little beaches that you'll have to climb rocks to get to them probably. The Tinder Port is back there where those hotels start. And we're just going to cruise on down the beach. The water is fairly cold, but now that I've been walking in it a while, it's not so bad. And I can walk in it more. Now I'm getting my clothes wet. Anyway, we walked around the harbor to get here. You could take a water taxi. Lots of people wanting to bring you on their water taxi. We may take a water taxi home, or back to the Tinders, the water shuttles. Water shuttle goes to the ship. Water taxi goes from place to place here, beach, harbor, and so on. This point right here was about 1.5 miles from where the water shuttle stopped over there in town at the harbor. So we walked 1.5 miles to get to this spot. So we've been walking down the beach for 20 minutes or so. And the hotels end down there. You can see where they end. And then there's a big stretch of beach with no hotels on it. No hotels yet. And then the hotels start again. That one got me. Got me all the way up. Stay up here a little bit. I wish I could tell you the names of these hotels, but I can't. But this is the white one and that's the pink one. So maybe that's the names of them. Is that guy from the cruise ship? I think that guy works in the dining room on the cruise ship. Anyway, we came on the Diamond Princess. That's the Disney Wonder, as I said before. I got my shoes in the backpack with the towel and stuff, so the backpack is not quite big enough for everything. Now they have a yellow flag flying, so this surf is semi-dangerous, I guess. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's, whoop, got my big toe. Maybe it's usually more common than this. In California, this would not be a yellow flag. There's no waves. A lot of vendors up there. There's some people that come down from up here. See that? They're all lined up there. No idea what's going on. Seems a little weird to me. Anyway, here's another water shuttle place. That's what these signs are, and these ropes, pontoons, floats, whatever. Water shuttles drive up in here. You get out or in. Then they go back out. Water taxis, I'm sorry. I just explained the difference between water taxi and water shuttle, and then I blew it. Water taxis, there's another one. Water taxi. Water taxis do not go to the ships. You got to go back over to the tender pier, the tender dock, the water shuttle dock, whatever you want to call it, back in the harbor. But these go there too. Well, near it. Still gonna have to walk a little bit. Anyway, that's probably enough Medano Beach for you. So, from Cabo San Lucas, Mexico, this is Janet.
Yeah.
Hey. See you in the next port. Bye.